CBI investigation, and these are details that we're picking up on the grilling, the questioning of Dr. Ghosh, Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of RG Kar. Details of the questionnaire here on India Today. So let's break it down for you as to what exactly he's being questioned over. Number one, what was your role after news came in of the trainee doctor's rape and murder? The CBI also asked Dr. Ghosh, who did you speak to? Who did you contact after you found out that this kind of a crime had taken place in the campus, in the RG Kar hospital? Why did you make the parents wait for 3 hours to go ahead and see their daughter's body? That's another question the CBI is asking. Also, very importantly, who ordered the renovation near the crime scene and thereby ensured that the entire area wasn't sealed off? When did you inform the officials, the cops of the crime that had taken place in the campus? After the victim's death, what prompted Dr. Ghosh to leave and where did he go to? Did he undertake any measures to see if the review of the victim's case was actually feasible? Another question that the CBI is asking him is why was there no immediate FIR? While that's the cops' step, the question is whether Dr. Ghosh delayed in informing the cops. Now, also, the questions being asked by the CBI are with regards to who he spoke to right after the incident came to the fore. So they're asking him, who did you communicate with about the victim's death? Did you inform anyone else besides police officials? And if a police official, who exactly was it? Now, another very important question here, which everyone's been asking, is how does Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of RG Kar, know the main accused, Sanjay Roy? And that's a question the CBI is asking as well. What's your acquaintance with the accused? Did you have any direct interaction with him? So these are, in fact, the 10 questions being put forth by the CBI right now. Ritik Mondal joining us with more details on this. 7 days and counting, Ritik, that Dr. Sandeep Ghosh is being questioned. And obviously, right now, the CBI is looking into whether there was a larger conspiracy here and why Dr. Ghosh tried to cover up in the manner that he allegedly did, which is what these 10 questions also clearly point to.
A lot of questions are being raised against the role of this former principal, that is Sandeep Ghosh. Possibly why for last 7 days, time and again, Sandeep Ghosh summoned by the Central Probing Agency and being grilled. You rightly pointed out these are the questions which remain unanswered. We are told from the sources of the CBI, yes, he narrated, he gave his statement. His statement have been recorded with regard to this, unanswered questions. What he did actually, how he did reacted soon after he received the information. Because there are serious allegations from the victim parents. They were, when they reached to the principal after receiving the news of the demise of their only child in the hospital, this Sandeep Ghosh refused to meet them, and they were kept awaited for a long time. There are questions being asked: who gave the renovation order at a adjacent room, which is adjacent room to the seminar hall? So these are the questions need to be answered. Sandeep Ghosh gave the statement. Now the CBI wants to check with the fact, the reality, and his statement through a polygraphy test. The court has granted permission to go for a polygraphy test of Sandeep Ghosh, and Sandeep Ghosh's roles is not beyond questions. We know several junior doctors also said that how he reacted, and most suspicious amid the situation when Sandeep Ghosh resigned from his post within a very short span of a time, within 4 hours precisely. He was reinstated to another very prestigious hospital, government.
And the idea of the CBI will also to identify who attempted to essentially shield Dr. Ghosh, who attempted to ensure that he's distanced from this entire case, so much so that he's reinstated in a matter of 4 hours.